Please subscribe before you leave. Don't forget to subscribe. Yes, it's been a while since I made a video for my YouTube channel, LuLu Live, but I just wanted to let everyone know I'm still here. And this, unfortunately, will be my last BoxyCharm video for a little while. We're not going to get into why. I'm just going to let you know it's going to be the last one for a while. I just wanted to do a first impressions video with you on this BoxyCharm box that I received today at my door. And here we go. So I cut the box just so I can open it. Ooh, this is pretty. I already have a sneak peek at something because there's an item onto the foam that they put inside the box to protect the beauty products. So this is a really pretty highlighter. It was right on top of here. So that's nice and pretty. It's from Steve Laurent. It's the jelly highlighter. And before I get to that, let me go through with you the items that are in this box with the postcard. Oh, it changed. It's not just a postcard anymore. It says flip over for a bigger BoxyCharm. So it's this pamphlet here. And then on the back is an advertisement introducing the bigger BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm Premium. Beauty box worth over $175 value for only $35. Wow. I wish I could do that right now, but unfortunately I can't. And limited quantities starting in November. Introducing BoxyCharm 2.0. Better customization, more choice. Value, customization, choice, add-ons, and Boxy pop-up. Ooh. So let me bring this to you so you can see. When you flip open this little, what I still like to call menu, it says that the theme for this month, I believe this is October, which is what we're in now. The theme is After Dark. It includes 5 beauty products, and the first that's on the list is from Dose of Colors. It's an eyeshadow palette, and the MSRP is $32, and it says to hashtag Dose of Colors After Dark. Next is Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm, and the MSRP is $32 as well, and it says to hashtag Touch and Soul After Dark. Then we have the iconic London Lip Pumping Gloss, and its MSRP is only $26. Hashtag Iconic After Dark. Then, which we have this item that was popping out inside my box, is from Steve Laurent. It's their jelly highlighter, as I mentioned before, and its MSRP is also $26, and it says to hashtag Steve Laurent After Dark. And lastly, we have the Jaunt Blue. I don't know how you pronounce it. It's either Jaunt Blue lip liner pencil, and the MSRP is just $5. It says to hashtag Joint Blue After Dark, and also tag hashtag Boxy After Dark for a chance to be featured. I've been wanting so much to be featured, but it hasn't happened yet. So maybe this time I'll get lucky before it's too late. Also, they have a promotion going on with BoxyCharm, between BoxyCharm and Facetune 2. There's a special contest where you can win a 1-year subscription to BoxyCharm and $1,000 Boxy pop-up credit. And there's rules how to enter, and we're not going to get into that right now, but it says take every selfie from OK to OMG, or oh my god. So first we're gonna do the, I have nothing on my face except for some chapstick. So let's see. It's a glassy skin balm. I guess we'll do that first. Because this seems like the base out of all these products. This is really pretty. It's from Touch and Soul. And it's their glassy, pretty filter, glassy skin balm. It's 1.05 ounces. And again, this is only $32. It says in the description here, an ultra hydrating priming skin balm. Like this is like a primer. With a sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. So that's nice. It's really pretty. It's a creamy primer. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my finger. It smells nice. Put it on the spots I normally put my primer. Yes, it says in parentheses on the back of this, or in brackets, primer. So it is a primer. A little tacky, but it's not too bad. It's pretty light. I don't know, I have this thing on top. I didn't realize when I opened it up, it like came right off. This thing, you know, to protect it. So that's good. Next we have, we're going to do the lip gloss because my lips are kind of dry. So I need something to gloss them up. So we're going to go with the Iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss. That is, like I said before, $26. It says the Iconic Lip Plumping Glosses are the ultimate combo of non-sticky gloss and plumping power. Thank God, because I don't like lip glosses because most of the time they are sticky and I just don't like it. So the High Shine formula is infused with a biomimetic, is that how you say it? Peptide, which helps to support natural collagen production for more defined and voluminous looking lips, which is what I really need. So let's see, it's pretty. What color is this? I can't tell my glasses are on. Oh, it's called Upstruck. So let me show this to you. So it comes out like this. It's like very light, so you have to like apply more if you want it to be more plentiful on your lips. Comes out very lightly. I can't see what I'm doing, so I'm just going with it. It's very natural looking. I like that. Here, let me come closer so you can see. It's nice, right? Yeah, it's very natural. The next product that we're going to try, oh, I forgot to put the lip liner on. Oops. Not one for lip liners, but I'm always wanting to give them a go. I think I've gotten one of these before. I don't know who it was. It might have been eyeliner from LuLu from another box of BoxyCharm or somebody else's, I don't remember. Another subscription that I had in the past. The lip liner is only $5 and it's from LuLu. And it says, master any desired lip color and produce long-wearing staying power with Jaunt Blue Lip Liner Pencil. The creamy, highly pigmented formula glides on effortlessly and can be worn alone, used for flawless lip contouring, or as a long-lasting base for any lip color. So we're putting it on that. So, this color is, let's see, 935 Dark Natural. Can you see it? probably should have done the lip liner first and then the lip gloss second, but I didn't. Well, that's as good as it's gonna get. So let me show you what it looks like. So this is me with the gloss, with the liner. The bottom's not so bad, but the top is just a little strange because I don't have much of a top lip and I don't know how to do it. But I just wanted to show you what it looks like. It's very complimentary with the lip gloss, I have to say. They did a really nice job of pairing those two together for this box. And the next product we are going to try is the Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette. Which is here. I like the color. So this is the Marvelous Mauves from Dose of Colors. 5 shades in this palette. It is cruelty-free, paraben-free, and talc-free. And talc-free, it's also $32. Ooh, this is massive. This is really heavy. So there's 5 colors. This is really pretty packaging. Let me show this to you. Marvelous Mauves from Dose of Colors. I've never used any of their eyeshadows before, only their lipstick. So this is going to be all new for me. And on the back it shows you a diagram of the shades that come in here in this palette. And oh, it has a brush because I was wondering what I was going to do. But these are the colors and it has a pretty mirror inside. I could have used this to do my lips because of the mirror, but it's alright. So we have 5 shades. This one's the lightest. The lightest one is called Fluffy. Then we have Rosy. And then we have Wishy Washy in the middle. And Spaced Out. And last is Weinstein. So let's see. I'll do a swatch. And then I'll put some on my eyes. They are pretty pigmented. Like, this one's more of a transition color. The first one, the lightest of them all, Fluffy. And then the next one, let's see what this one looks like. That one's also pretty. It's very powdery. So we have all 5 colors on my arm. Weinstein up here. Then we have Spaced Out. And then this one here in the middle, we have Wishy Washy. Can you see them? Wishy Washy. We have Rosy. It's pinker in person. You just can't see it. And then lastly is Fluffy. Let me see if I do this like this. You can see it better. I don't know. Can you see them? Does this help? Does this help at all? This you can see. And this comes with this brush, this double-sided brush, which I usually don't keep, but for this I'm going to use it. And we're going to start with this one, Fluffy. So I did my right eye, and I'll do it again for you. I'm doing like mainly the crease and my left eye with the same color, Fluffy. And then I'm going to go in with this color, Rosy, which is this one here. This was the first one I did. Then I'm doing Rosy. Same brush. Tap her out. Same thing. crease. Almost, I actually hit my nose by accident. Trying to get in the crease, and that's really pretty. I'm literally going to go in with every single color and see what I can come up with. And then try to replicate it on my other eye. The thing I do notice about this palette is that it's very chalky, but it's very pretty. And there's like practically no fallout. So that makes me happy. I'm really happy with this so far. And I would definitely buy it again. Or I would buy it, you know, not from BoxyCharm, or not, you know, I would definitely go out and buy this. Because I like it a lot. So that's Fluffy with Rosie. Rosie. We have Wishy Washy, which is the one in the middle. See how powdery that is? Tap her off just a little. Same thing. That's pretty. Same thing on the left side. Might have tapped it off just a little too much, but it's okay. And then you're just building on everything you've done before. You want to do some voluminous look. Rosy voluminous. Alright, let's see. Blend, blend, blend. Pretty, right? And it's kind of dark on the right side. Let me try to make it darker on the left side. Higher and higher. We're going to do Spaced Out, which is this one here. Oh man, that's big and good. Sure. Should I have done that? I don't know. I'm going crazy today with the shadows. It's ultra dramatic. And then I'm kind of bringing it in. I don't know what I'm doing right now. It's very dramatic, right? I'm trying to do this so that from a distance you can see what I'm wearing.